Okay, this is crazy. On the news, live Fox News, and the reporters were surprised by this that I will show you.
Are those fireworks? Are those fireworks? What's that?
Look like some fireworks or something.
Aliens? I don't know.
What the heck
What
is
is
that?
that? You see it, right?
I'm actually, yes,
Okay.
you see it. It's getting weirder by the second.
I know.
It's like they're sticking around.
We're gonna do some
Anybody?
digging and figure out what that is. Back in a moment.
Are we rolling on that?
What do you think that was?
So they were completely surprised, and these guys, no denial here, these are no Christmas lights or New Year's lights, because this was not on New Year's Eve. Are not satellites, of course they are not satellites. This is very, very weird, and you can't say now, no excuses, you can't say, oh, it is AI, it was somebody on the smartphone that created this video. No, this was on the news, Fox News, it was live, and they were caught by surprise. But I have more. Look at this one. California with the fires, and you can see at the bottom, can you see it? At the bottom, bam! Can you see it? Right at the bottom. Bam! Another weird thing, live on Fox News again. They are covering this awful event, by the way. Great kisses for all the people there, and much love. Hope you hang on there with those fires. And look at this one. This one is also very weird. So you can see here again with the fires. This is a live cam on Santa Monica Beach, and you can see, look right here, look at what it does. Look at the movement. I'm spotting it, then I will leave you with a full image. You see, then it turns around here somehow, we can't see very well, and then bam, here he goes again, then up again, no satellites, nothing. This is very, very weird. And you see the movement here, bam, bam again, can you see it? And it turns around again, and there you go. And this is big because it's not dust or something. This is big, it's far away, we can see in the image, it's far away, it's not near the camera. And then it goes to the beach here, and there we go here, and it's over. So I will leave it like this so you can spot it. It starts here, you see, there we go, down, then it comes up again. Man, to be something from the fire, it's possible, but it's very weird because of the size of it. And if we connect this with the other footage that we just saw, it's very, very weird. So tell me what you think in the comments. What the heck is this? And I will be reading all of you. See you in the next video or live stream.